My name is Manning Antoine. I'm from the Bronx, New York, but I live in Atlanta, and I'm the creative director of Homage Year. Two moments I've had with Homage Year that really show me like I'm in the right direction. I would say was the first pop-up I had. I was basically talking to my friends about creating a pop-up, having an experience for the people in the city, bringing these ideas fully together. And once the time came, it was actually right and fully fleshed out, was August 2020. And when I had the pop-up, the city came through, showed a lot of love and support. And it really showed me that basically like this is something that I could truthfully really do if I put my time and my hard work and effort into it. After that, actually, I got an internship at Yeezy. And when I was at the internship in Yeezy and whatnot, just being around fashion, seeing the way things work, touching materials and fabrics, you know, just being in a constantly creative environment day in and day out for about 3 months, like literally 12-hour work days. It really just showed me like this is something I enjoy doing. I like being around creativity, the creative process, and like seeing how it happens behind the scenes. And then once that had happened and I created the bag and I like got the first bag, I was like, okay, yeah, like we have something that's really unique, really cool, and really, you know, would be really nice to build on. And now we're here. This class is for people who have a vision for themselves, for what they want in the world, but they just don't fully know where to start or how to start or what to do or where to go. And the class is for dreamers, and I know in this world especially, it's really hard for dreamers to understand the first step of where to go, how to go, and how to do it. And hopefully, you know, this class will give you the courage or give you the insight of what steps to make, how to fail and how to fall before you can be great or greater than you were before. So it's Manning Antoine. Sign up for my night school on September 26th. Hope to see you there.